Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to update Windows. In today's case, we have Windows 11 that we're going to be looking for update. So what you need to do is click on the Start menu, search for services. That's the first step. And once you have the services running, we're going to look for the Windows Update service. So it should be one of the last services in the services list. So let's look for it quickly. So here it is. We have the Windows Update. We're going to right click, go to Properties, and the startup type, we're going to make sure that it's always set to automatic. And we're going to apply. Once that is done, we can now go in the search menu again and search for update. You will see that there is a menu that says check for updates. We're going to click on that. And as you can see, we have updates available to download. If there were no updates here, you would have a big button here that says check for updates. You would click it and it would either find updates or not find any updates, but either way, there should be a button here for you to check updates. So in my case, I already have updates, so we're going to download it. Note that this might take a while and you should have a progress bar telling you what you need to do. In some cases, you might need to restart your computer a few times before the updates are fully applied. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye.